I use a traditional Japanese wood burning technique called yakisugi to make this trellis for my raised garden bed. It's a simple project that takes less than an hour to do. Keep watching and I'll show you how I did it. Let's go! I'm using Japanese cedar for this build. Each trellis only uses 2 pieces of wood, and I made 3 total. This is a simple string trellis for climbing vegetables. First, I burn the wood using a torch. This technique is called yakisugi, and it's been used in Japan for centuries to help protect wood from rot and pests. I work on 1 piece at a time and let the wood cool completely before touching it. Once everything is cooled, I brush off the excess ash. Here is a very useful tip: don't wear white when you're doing this. The ash will fly all over the place and you'll look like an ash hole. I'm a dad and I approve this joke. The cut list for this build will be in the description. Here in Japan they use centimeters, but I'll also display the inches in the cut list. For the main body, I cut 170 centimeters from a 190 centimeter 2x2. The remaining piece gets cut into angled supports. For the second piece, I cut it directly down the middle. Next, I'll remove the old temporary trellis and install the new one. To make things easier, I lined up the poles with the screws already on the garden bed so I don't have to measure again. 1 pole goes on each side of the garden bed. Then the top piece connects the 2. After that, I attach the support pieces to hold everything together. I screwed hooks into the top and used simple yarn to create the string trellis for the vegetables to climb. I'm using jute for this project. To help guide the plants upward, I wrap the string gently around the base of the plant and use clips to help support the stem as it grows. This helps encourage upward growth and keeps everything off the ground. I try not to clip too tightly so the plant still has room to grow. And that is it. Simple, affordable, and quick to build. Here's the first finished trellis, and here are all 3 installed. Even now, they're still holding up well and the garden's doing great. I think it came out really nice. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time, mahalo and aloha.